is, of course, the song Happy Birthday to You. A really useful song to be able to play because it's somebody's birthday somewhere all the time. So I'm going to teach you this in a couple of different ways. If you're a beginner, then you can learn the notes and you don't necessarily have to do all the same fingers. You could, for example, just use your strong fingers on both of your hands. If you're a bit more advanced, then you can learn to play the melody with your right hand, as I'm doing, and the accompaniment, the chords, with your left hand. So I'm going to start by showing you the melody, the tune, and I'm going to be describing all the notes as I go. So it starts with the note C. This is C. And we describe the position of C on the keyboard as on the left of the group of 2 black keys. You'll see on the keyboard you've got groups of 3 and 2 all the way up and down. So find a group of 2. This happens to be the group of 2 nearest the middle of my keyboard, and this is the one we actually call middle C. So it starts with 2 of those, and then I go to the next white key to the right, which is D, and back to C. Then I go to this note F. So we describe F as being on the left of the group of 3 black keys, and after F I play E. There you go, E, right of the 2 black keys. Then I do the same beginning, C, C, D, C, and this time I go to G. So this is the note G. Now we describe G as being inside the group of 3 black keys, you see that? And it's on the inside left. So in other words, it's to the left of the central of the 3 of the black keys. And after G, I go one to the left back to F that we've met already. Then this happens, another 2 C's, and then I stretch all the way to the right to the next C, which is there. So you see, it looks the same. Group of 2 black keys there, group of 2 black keys there. You can hopefully see that just at the edge. So I'm going, and from that C, I'm going to come down to the left. I'm going to skip this next white key and play this one, which is A. A is a white key to the right of the central of the 3 black keys. I skip another white key and I go to F again. And then after that, I've got the next 2 white keys in a row. So if you're playing with your right hand, we do those C's with our thumb, and then you stretch your hand all the way to get finger 5 up to the next C. If you can't quite stretch that, then just move. Then finger 3 plays A, your thumb plays F, and you cross over the top of your thumb with finger 2 to E. Your thumb comes out and plays D. Then we've got a black key. This one here, the one on the right of the group of 3, and we're going to call that on this occasion B flat. Flat is the word we use in music to mean the black key to the left of the letter name. So this is a B, B flat is that one. We do that one twice, and then I'm back to A again. Remember A, this one here, F, G, F. And if you're playing with your right hand, you're going to go with finger 4 to the B flat, 3 on A, thumb plays F, 2 plays G, and your thumb finishes off on F. Right, let's look at the chords. So the chords begin with an F. So I've got on this keyboard, it's called ABC. The keyboard you might have something else. It might say, for example, single finger. You need to have it set on whichever is the relevant setting. So first one is F on its own, and then C. Then I'm going to do these 2 white keys together, which gives us a chord called C7. And then I'm back to F again. So F, C, C7, F. Now as I got to that high C there, I'm going to play this chord, F plus the white key below, which gives us the chord F7. I'm crossing over here to ED, and my chord is B flat. Then this happens. So we've got a little quick quicker turn over here. I'm counting F for 2 beats, C for a single beat, and back to F to finish. So if you're going to play this with a rhythm, it's important that the rhythm is something we call 3/4 time. Now, most music that you come across, most music that you play is in what's called 4/4 time. You count 4 beats in every bar. But some music is in 3/4 time, including Happy Birthday. So on your keyboard, look out for the word waltz, W-A-L-T-Z. If it says waltz, then it will be 3/4 time. My tempo, the speed of my music, is 88 beats per minute. So it's sort of medium slow, but whatever you're able to do. You can always control the tempo. So this is how it goes. I'm putting on my sync start button, which means as soon as I press a key down here in the chord section, the rhythm will kick in. So this is how it goes. So notice my two opening notes, my 2 C's. I'm just playing that before the rhythm comes in. So remember to press the sync start again. So as I press this first D, that's when the first chord F happens. It. So with the melody, Happy Birthday Dear. Now, depending on whose birthday it is, you might have to throw in a few extra beats. Some people have names with 2 syllables in them. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. But some people have a few more syllables. Happy birthday, dear Ermintrude. Or happy up to you how you do it, but sometimes it's an extra beat on this note F, sometimes it's an extra one on E, sometimes more than an extra one, but you get used to it. You know how to sing it, you'll figure out how to play it. So one more time before we finish, and it's my birthday coming up soon, so I'll sing Happy Birthday to Me. Here we go. And that's us. Okay, bye-bye. Stay safe. See you soon.